Scattered mind, busy day. You think it's a barrier to meditation? No. It is the exact reason why you need to do it. What do you think the meditation is? It's like sitting cross-legged, closing your eyes and achieving that no thought state. No, it's more than that. Probably you might have tried sitting cross-legged, closing your eyes and try to be still and done it 3 days or a week and then quit. You know what does the study says? The beginners actually quit meditation within 3 days. You know, it is not your fault. Probably you are not being taught right. You know, when I teach about the meditation, I actually tell people why it is needed first. In Ayurveda, meditation is actually a state of dhyan first, then dharana, and then comes the samadhi, right? And why it is being done? It is done to be in sync of what? Mind, body and soul. What is mind? Mind is the manas, and manas का काम ही है to think. Man is to think और मन तो चंचल है. But you know, one more important thing that you need to understand is man is just like a fertile land. Whatever you sow, the kind of thought that you are putting in, that kind of life only you will be leading. That is the power of man. So the thoughts that you are having, it is not necessary that you have to just avoid it all. But you have to understand the right way of meditation so that you start seeding well in your man, and the training of your man should be in a right way with the meditation. Before understanding more, you know, whenever I tell people कि यार ज़रूरी है अभी meditation करना to actually achieve that sattva state of man, there are multiple myths that the people ask me. So the first myth is that mind should be empty. But you know, that is a destination that we think of. But the moment you sit for the meditation as a beginner, first thing that will happen is that your emotions will surface. Thoughts will run more because your mind is not in practice to be still. So the multiple thoughts will come. But the important thing is that just to sit. The moment you start sitting, you are giving the signal to your mind, okay, it is okay to be still. Second important myth is that you need to sit for an hour or the 40 minutes to start your meditative journey. But no, only few minutes a day is enough. Those few minutes of day should be of your choice, of your own place, where you are just giving yourself the intention. Today I am sitting for myself to be one with myself. That is enough. Third myth is that I do not believe in God. Why should I meditate? Meditation is not religious. Meditation is a personal journey. In yoga, it is again dhyan, dharana, samadhi, and it is to be one with yourself. No matter what is your religion, no matter you believe in God or you do not believe in God, but if you believe in yourself, if you want to be one with yourself, if you want to have control over your thought, so meditation is that journey which will bring you back to you. Fourth, I am too busy, I do not have time for it. If you are too busy, then the meditation is must for you. Means your mind is always in that rajas state, and rajas is a dosha of a man, but the sattva is the guna of the man, and our default state is the sattva, which means peace, wisdom. When we are too busy, we do not take time to pause. We do not take time to reflect, then sometimes we actually regret our actions and decisions. If you want that you should be productive throughout the day, then meditation is must for you. So these are the 4 major myths that people believe and which stop them to actually start. And meditation should always be start in a right way under an expert. If you are ready to start your meditation journey, and as a beginner, I request you to just go and watch this video where we are telling you from where to start, how to start, and then how will you feel. And probably that will be your first day of meditation, feeling too good and being one with yourself. Sakhayu Bhava.